All right. Noah, say hi.
Hi.
Say, we got your present, Jenny.
Hi.
Say, I'm eating dinner right now,
Oh, yeah.
but I just opened your present,
Yeah.
and I loved it.
Yeah.
What did the jammies have on them, Noah?
Mom.
Remember these jammies over here? See? What are they? What's that? What is it? What is that?
A car.
A car? And what's in the car?
A dog.
It might be a daddy monkey. Is that a monkey? Say monkey.
Me.
Monkey. Do you love them?
No.
You're lying. He's going through a phase now where he says no to everything. Is your name Noah?
Yeah.
Oh, they should prove me wrong, made me look stupid. You love them. Do you love them?
Yeah.
Yeah, you love the jammies? Yeah, Shin's over there. He's in the shower, so he's not going to videotape this. Say thank you. Say I love them. Don't worry, that's just the wind. Noah. Alright. Say I see you later. Say thank you again. Say I love you. Say see you soon. Say bye. Wave. Say bye.